Hello everyone, my name is Ben and I am a dog. Woof!
And I am Dumpty the donkey. And I want to play with Play-Doh today.
No, but I want to make a rainbow today.
No, but I want to play with Play-Doh.
But I want to make a rainbow instead.
How about we make a rainbow with Play-Doh?
Yes, that's a great idea.
Hello friends! Today we'll be making a rainbow with Play-Doh. So let's open these boxes and see what's inside and make a rainbow because I love rainbows. Excuse me. Oh, who's that?
Hi, I'm Doodle the duck, and I'd love to help you make the rainbow.
Yes, of course. That'll be awesome. So which one should we open first? Let's just open this one first and take all the pieces out. Okay, let's put it aside and open this one. There is a little knife, a star, a heart, a rolling pin, and then all these Play-Dohs in different colors. Does anyone know how many colors there are in a rainbow?
I know, there are 7 colors in a rainbow.
Yes, very nice. And can anyone tell me the 7 colors of the rainbow?
Yes, it's red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and purple.
Yes, that's right.
Good job, Doodle. Thank you.
So the rainbow has 7 colors. And the first color is red, which is this one. So let's take it out. This is a red color. Now let's use this knife to scoop out this red Play-Doh. There we go. Now we're going to take the Play-Doh and roll it between our palms into a ball. And now we're going to make it longer and longer, just like that. And now we're going to place it on the table like an upside down U. So the next color of the rainbow is orange. Let's find orange.
Hi, can I find orange, please?
Oh, sure. Doodle, go ahead and find orange.
Thank you. Let me have a look. Not here. Oh, I see it. There it is. There it is.
Very nice, Doodle.
Thank you.
Now let's open the orange color or the orange Play-Doh. Okay, I'm gonna use this scooper and scoop it out. Okay, now let's just collect all the orange Play-Doh and roll it into a ball. And after that, we're going to start making it longer by rolling it between our hands. And then we will place it on the table after the red one. Now we're going to be choosing the next color. Woof! Woof! Oh, hi! By the way, this is Ben, our friend.
Hi. I want to choose the next color because I know what it is.
Oh, really?
Yes, it is. First we have red, then we have orange, the next one is yellow.
That's right.
So I'm gonna go and see the yellow color. Yellow color, where are you? Oh, there it is. I see it. Here you go.
Thank you, Ben. That's the right color. This is yellow.
You're welcome.
Okay, now let's scoop it out. Yellow color. I'm so happy that our friends are helping us telling the colors. It's always nice to be with friends. Okay friends, so next is a yellow color. I'm gonna place this after the orange one. Look, our rainbow is starting to look so pretty. Very nice. Can anyone tell me what the next color is? The next color is green. Oh, hi, Doodle.
Hello. I know the next color is. It's green.
Okay, let's see what the green color is.
I'm gonna pick up the green color because I know what green looks like.
Sure, Doodle. Go ahead and find the green color.
Thank you. Let me see where it is. Green color, where are you? Oh, I see it right there. Here you go.
Thank you, Doodle the duck.
You're welcome.
Let's open this green Play-Doh and get our scooper. The scooper is so useful. I'm gonna scoop it out. That's a beautiful green color. Very nice. Now that our green part of the rainbow is ready, we're gonna place it right after the yellow one. Friends, I'm going to use this cutter and I'm going to cut it straight. So starting from the red, go down straight. So our rainbow looks nice and neat. So I'm going to start from the red and then come towards the green. Now look at it. It looks so much better. See that? So much better. I love it. Can anyone tell what the next color of the rainbow is? Let's just see all the colors that we've done so far. So the first color is red, then it's orange, then it's yellow, then it's green. The next one is blue. Oh, hello, Donkey. This is Donkey, our friend, and he's gonna help us find the next color. Yes, I'm gonna help find the next color. It's blue, and I love blue because I'm blue too. That's right. We all love the color that we are. So let's go find blue. Okay. Blue color, where are you? I see it right there. There you go. Thank you, Mr. Donkey. You're most welcome. Now let's use a scooper to scoop out the blue color. You know what? This blue color has glitter in it too. Can you see? It's shiny and sparkly because it has glitter in it. I'm not going to be using too much of the Play-Doh because at the very end we need a little bit as there's not much space. So I'm going to try using just this much and we'll leave the rest. But we make sure that you close the lid because if you don't close the lid, they'll become dry and then you won't be able to play it with it again. So let's just close the lid and put it back and then roll it into a ball. And then make it longer and longer. I think that's enough. So now I'm going to place it after green. Let's put these away. Now the blue color of the rainbow is ready. So I'm going to place it right after the green color. Looks so nice. Let's count all the colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need 2 more colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue. The next one is indigo. And this looks like indigo. So let's scoop it out. We just need a little bit because we're coming towards the end, so we don't need too much of Play-Doh. That's such a beautiful color. I love it. Let's place it right here. It looks so pretty. Hi everybody, I am Cody the cow, and I'm gonna tell everyone what the next color is. The last color and the 7th color of the rainbow is purple. I love purple. Let's go check it out. Purple color, where are you? I see it right there. There you go. Thank you, Miss Cow. Thank you, Cody. You're welcome. This is the last color, which is the 7th color, and it's purple. Let's scoop it out. We need a little bit. Okay. Let's roll it up. And then we're going to place it at the very bottom. There we go. That looks so beautiful. Wow. So friends, this is how we make our rainbow. Let's count the colors one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, purple.
For more fun learning, please subscribe to this channel. We'll see you again. Bye.